Changing your phone number on your Gmail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Information. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Personal Info tab on the left side. This section contains your personal details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Phone. Here you can see your current phone number. Click on it to edit, then enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or similar option to confirm the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on your Gmail account. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date for account security and recovery purposes.